children, I welcome you all once again to your English class. I hope you all are doing fine. Children, for today's English lesson, we are going to continue with the adjectives and degrees of comparison chapter from your Mastering Grammar book. In our previous video lesson, we had started learning about the correct use of some of the adjectives. We had learnt about the words some, any, little, few and their counterparts, right? We had learnt about similar words like a little, a few, the few. And then I told you about later, latter, latest and last. Now children, for today's lesson we will be continuing from page 28 and we are going to learn the use of older, oldest, elder, eldest. Okay children, so let's get started. So the first set of words that we often confuse: older, oldest. Okay, this you know, one is a comparative form, another is superlative form, and again next pair of words we have elder and eldest. Okay, so now let's see what is the difference between these among these four words. What is the difference between these two and these two words? Okay, so now this will be used, both of this will be used to denote what? Age. Okay, denote age. Remember this, they will be denoting age, and this can be used for both person and thing. Okay children, you should remember this. Now with this one, this is talking about close family relations. Okay, so you have to understand that they are talking about same family, close family relation. When we are using this words, the members, the person has to be from the same family. Okay, close family members, and this is used only with people. You should remember, like this one was used for both person and thing. Now this is used only for persons. Okay, used only for persons or people. Okay, closely related to each other, like you can see here, like sons, daughter, brothers, sisters and so on. Okay, now let us look at some examples. Sumit is older than Ravi. Okay, here we are talking about age, and Sumit and Ravi cannot be, that means it can happen that they are not family members. Okay, they are not from the same family line. So they can be friends or they can be anything else, cousins, anything. It's not important for them to be from the same family. Then we can use older, and this means what? Sumit is of more age than Ravi, right children? So now see this one. Sangini is the oldest girl in the class, in the group. Sangini is the oldest girl in the class. That means she is the most aged one. Sangini is the oldest girl in the group. So her age is more than the most among all the people in the group. Okay children, so you have seen that how we have used oldest and older to refer to age. Okay, and obviously the group members are not from the same family, so that's why we have used oldest. Otherwise we would have used eldest. Okay, now let's see example from this one. Rohit is elder of the two brothers. Of the two brothers. Yes, I am talking about members from the same family. family, that's why I have used elder, and because it is comparison we have to use elder and not eldest. Right children? So now let's see, her eldest sister, this is the superlative form, her eldest sister, because we are talking about the members of the same family, lives in hostel. Okay. So you should remember when you are going to use elder and eldest. Now children, let's see here, we should never use than with elder. Yes. Remember, can you see here I haven't used than? You won't be using than with elder. Okay. Although it's comparative form, in comparative form we usually use what? We usually use than to compare with the other thing or other person. But with elder we never use what? We never use than. Okay. Again we have like Survi is older than Sumati. Not Survi is elder than Sumati. Because when there is the use of than word, you should understand that you are not going to use this elder word. You have to use older. Okay. Now, use of nearest or next. Sometimes we confuse these two words. I hope this is clear because we will be doing exercise as well. So this information might help. Now the next set of words is near, rest and next. These words are clear in the meaning, still because we have to learn about them, let's learn. Okay. Now nearest implies distance, next implies position. This is very clear. This denotes what? This means what? Denotes distance. If I am saying something is nearest to me, that means it's closest. And this is denoting position. Like who is next? Denoting position. Who is next? Yes. So let's see some examples. My hostel room is nearest to the mess. Nearest means सबसे closest. So nearest to the mess. Yes. Now next means what? It can often means after or beside. Okay. Like Smriti was sitting next to me like this. Okay. So the museum is next to the park. Both these examples are in your book. You can refer your book as well. See, the position of the museum is what? It is next to the park. It is beside the park, next to the park. Okay. Now, use of as, so as. Okay. In our comparison, how we use it. When we are going to compare with superlative degree, children, because you have learned only the words right now. Now we are going to learn how to convert. So how we have to, when we try to convert these comparative to superlative or superlative to positive, then we must be careful, we must observe how it changes. Like see, we are going to learn the use of as, so as. So is generally used with positive statements. Like, we are talking first of this one, as, and then again you use as. After some words you again use it. So this is usually used with positive statements. I hope now you are clear with positive and negative statements. Okay, so positive statement means what? Now see, he is, okay, not is not, is as cool. We are comparing here as cool as a cucumber. Okay. So you can see there is a comparison, but in this comparison word remains the same. So if I asked you what degree of comparison we have used here, because this is cool only, not cooler, not coolest. So we are going to say that this is the positive degree of comparison. Yes? So for positive degree, children, remember, we have to use this word as. We can use this combination as with the positive degree. Okay? Now, see, when I said that positive statements will take what as, it doesn't mean that as or that as cannot be used with negative. It can also be used with negative. Okay? He is not as responsible. So you can see that it's also used with negative sentences. So he is not as responsible as you think. Okay? So here also you can see we are using the base form of the adjective. We are not changing it to comparative or superlative. So again this degree is positive degree. Yes? Now let's see the other one. So and as. We had other set also. So dot as. How we are going to use it? Rohan is not so lazy as. Rohan is not so lazy as you think. Okay, again same sentence, right? You think. So this so also can be used in place of as. So lazy as you think. So again this is a sentence in positive degree. Okay, children? Now, talking about some other comparative adjectives. Whenever comparative adjectives end in OR, then what do? It is either followed by to and not. It is followed by to and not by than. You should remember. That's why we say inferior to, superior to, because the adjectives are ending in, yes, OR. Okay? So, this is also an important point. Okay? You should understand how you are going to use than for the comparative degree. You are not going to use comparative degree with elder. That means the word than you are not going to use with elder. You are not going to use than with what? The adjectives ending for the adjectives ending in OR. Like junior. Okay? When we say junior, we are not going to use than. Instead, we are going to use to with it. So, if I say he is junior to me in college. Yes. Okay, again we have senior word, junior word. So he is junior to me in the college. My bracelet is inferior to hers. See, inferior to and not inferior than. Her watch is superior to yours. Her watch is superior to and not than. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now let's move. Some adjectives cannot be used in the comparative or the superlative degree because they represent the highest degree in themselves. Yes, so they cannot be changed. We cannot add more or most. We cannot add ER or EST. Okay, they are just their own adjectives. Like such adjectives are chief, complete. Like more complete, no, it's wrong English. Complete will remain complete only in whatever degree it is, because complete means complete only. Give me your complete work, completed work. Okay, like this. Perfect, perfect, entire, unique, full, ideal. All these words are superlative in form, so they won't be having any comparative or positive form. The weather was ideal for paragliding. Ideal word is there. So the weather was most ideal for paragliding is wrong. Okay. Now there are no comparative or superlative degrees for adjectives like ideal, unique, complete, perfect, full, entire and chief. Now we have exercise K, we will be solving that. We will be filling up the blanks there. Number K. Now this exercise, children, is on page number 28 only. So what we have, let's see. Fill in the blanks with the correct degree of adjectives given in brackets. Now it's your turn to be tested. Okay, I have already taught you. Let's see how many of you can get the maximum correct answers. Okay, children. Sonu is the dash member in the family. We are talking about the same family. So we are going to use what? Elder or oldest. Okay, because yes, we have to use your the superlative degree. So eldest or oldest, what do you think? Because we are talking about the same family member. Yes, I think most of you got it correct. I am writing the answer. You will have to write the question. So Sonu is the dash. Sonu is the eldest. I told you this word elder and eldest is always used with what? With family members. For people from the same family. Number 2. His dash brother is studying in Delhi. His youngest. Yes? His youngest brother. Again, superlative. Number 3. He is dash to her in intelligence. He is superior, will remain superior only. So he is superior to her. Not superior than her, superior to her. Number 4. He came dash than her to Anju's house. Now, because I am telling what about the arrival, about the time. So, he came dash than her. What did we learn? Yes, we had learned it will be what? Later. Because it's in comparative form. So, later. Number 5. He came later than her to Anju's house. What is the dash update about the match? Here we are asking again about the current or the most latest. So, sorry, the latest, not the most. Most cannot be used with superlative already. This was superlative already, so we cannot use most with it. Number 6. Okay, we don't have any 6, so no 6. Okay, now let's move to L, exercise L. We will be doing that. Number L. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of adjectives given in brackets. Who do you think is a dash singer, Sonu Nigam or Shah? We are comparing here, right children? Who do you think is a, because comparing between two things. So good, better, best. Which one is the comparative form? Got it? Better, right? So our first answer is better. Children, you are going to write the question. Do not forget, you will have to write the question. Her cat is dash than yours. Her cat is, again comparison is there. So clever, cleverer, cleverest. So here we have cleverer. Right? Number 3 now. He is dash player. He is the is used. So obviously superlative form. He is the dash player in our team. So young is the word that we have to use. He is the youngest. Number 4. Which poem do you like dash? The road not taken or if, right? So for much, more and most, yes. Which poem do you like? More, because it's comparative form. So more. Number 5 now. Iron is dash than any other metal. Useful. Useful, more useful, most useful. So, iron is dash more useful. Because it cannot be changed into comparative or superlative by adding ER or EST. Number 6. Hari is dash any other boy in the class. More intelligent. Hari is more intelligent. Number 7. His health has become dash. Then again it's comparison. So bad, worse, worst. So worse is our comparative degree. Number 8. Sachin scored the dash runs in the tournament. Okay. So runs, many, more, most. Many and much have the same comparative and superlative form. So here Sachin scored more runs, and we are done with this exercise as well. Yes, children? So please write the question. Do not forget to write the question, okay? Next one. Number M now. This was L. It was on page number 29. Let me help you correct it. Yes. So this is on page number 29. You can just take a screenshot quickly or write it down in the blank itself. Now M. Correct the following sentences. She is the most prettiest girl. Children, what did I tell you? That two degrees cannot be combined together. Like you cannot use comparative degree with the superlative, already superlative one. So pretty, prettier, prettiest. Most cannot be used with it. Okay. So we are, see, they have corrected it. She is the prettiest girl I have ever seen. Now we have to change it. Okay. He is the older of all his brothers. What did I tell you when we are talking about the same family members? We are not going to use older. Instead, we are going to use what? We are going to use elder. So let me help you correct it. I will be rewriting it and you have to write the questions. It's on same page number. M is the exercise number. Now let's do number 1. He is the older of all his brothers. He is the eldest. Okay. He is the eldest because the is used. He is the eldest. Eldest of all his brothers. Because all is mentioned, so we have to write it in superlative degree, not the comparative one. Number 2. My dress is more brighter than yours. More brighter, wrong English, because brighter is already in comparative form. My dress is brighter. Brighter is already in comparative form, so we cannot use more with it. Brighter. My dress is brighter than yours. Number 3. He is the wise of all the boys in the class. He is, wise is positive form and the is there, so he is the superlative form we will be using. He is the wisest of all the boys in the class. Yes? Number 4. Ritu is best than Sakshi in maths. Best is what? Superlative degree. We cannot use superlative degree with than. So Sakshi, because here we can see also, we can see Sakshi and Ritu is compared. Their marks are compared in maths, or their qualification in maths is compared. So ability. So we can write what? Because we have to use comparison word, so we are going to use better. Ritu is better than Sakshi in maths. She is senior. Now children, see, I told you that adjectives ending in OR will always be followed by the word to and not than. Here the mistake is what? Than. The word than is used. She is senior to me, not than me. Number 6. This lesson is interesting than the previous one. Interesting is in positive degree and the word than has been used. So, because we are comparing, so this lesson is more interesting. Than the previous one. Yes. Now, he is more stronger. Again, comparative degrees are overlapping. So, he is only stronger. Only one comparative can be used and that is stronger. We cannot add one more comparative degree with comparative degree. Okay. So, he is stronger than I had imagined. He is stronger than I imagined. Number 8. Your handwriting is improving from good to gooder. Gooder? No, because we know good doesn't change, its exception, it doesn't change, the whole word changes. So good, better, best. So good doesn't take ER or EST for its comparative and superlative degree, right? So what we have to write? Your handwriting is improving from good to better with each passing day. Yes. So I hope it's clear for you. Okay, children, we are done with all the exercises that we have in this chapter. I hope you understood this chapter. Now let's see, we have certain points to recall. Adjectives of quality answer the question what kind. I told you this. Then again we have with respect to the noun and pronoun they describe. Adjectives of quality, I told you that they will be answering the question what kind, like gentle, intelligent, wise, what kind of the noun we are talking about, okay? So all the qualities of people or even the vices and virtues. Then we have adjectives of quantity. I told you about this, that they are used for uncountable nouns and not the countable ones, okay? They will be answering your question how much. They are used with uncountable nouns. Adjectives of number, they will answer your question how many. Okay, they are not used with uncountable. In fact, they are used with countable nouns. Again, we have in what order, like they are cardinals or ordinals. Cardinals are what? Cardinals are like 1, 2, 5, 60, like this numbers, and ordinal numbers are the positions, first, second, third order. They're arranged in particular order, that's why ordinal. Demonstrative adjectives, what question they answer, which one, like this, that, those, this, such, certain, these words, okay? Possessive adjectives answer questions, whose, like whose pen is this, whose thing is that, right? Then we have adjectives can be formed by adding suffixes like full, OUS, LY, Y, ABLE, like joyful, famous, friendly. Then we have adjectives change in form to show comparison. We have done the degrees of comparison. We have learned about positive, comparative and superlative degree. The positive degree is used when no comparison is made. The comparative degree is used when two persons or things are compared, use of than. And we should remember that with superior, inferior, the adjectives ending in or will not take than, instead they will be taking what? To. And elder, the word elder or eldest doesn't, do not take what? Either than or to. They are just left alone. The superlative degree is used when more than two persons or things of the same class are compared. So of the same category, of the same class, when they are compared, so for that we use the highest degree, that means the superlative degree. I hope children you revised your lesson. I hope you work on the exercises, you finish your work, and we will be meeting in our next video lesson with something different, with some different topics. Okay, till then children, please take care of yourself and your family.